Today is November 4th. Caitlin is 9.5 weeks old. She's had her first cold. And she's sleeping on my lap right now. And she's snoring. Now she's holding her breath. Isn't she so cute? She doesn't usually snore. Until she got congested, she's never snored. So I had to catch it while she did it. Steven snored a lot as a baby and it was really cute. But Caitlin doesn't. Oh, look at that yummy baby. Look at that fat baby arm. Oh, she's just delicious, I tell you what. A more delicious baby there never was. Well, this is Caitlin snoring. Cute baby. Bye-bye.